in here to show you the flooring, and you want to play with the Roomba. Roomba's not charged, guys. He just reminded me to charge it. But look what's here. The new flooring is here. It's my vacuum. Go away. Leave my vacuum. I know, Ellie. You're all set for such a nice, quiet little nap in here. Personal space, quiet time, and becomes, let's go play with the Roomba. Uh-oh, what does she just run off with? It looks like something she shouldn't have. Yes, it is something she shouldn't have. No, come back with that. That one's mine. No, not for you. No. No. Come on, pay attention to the flooring. That's way more exciting. All right, maybe not. Oh, I'm excited. Yeah. Oh, we didn't get the one with the nice dog on it. That's disappointing. Huh. Just send it back so we can get the one with Twinkle on it. Okay, come on. Let's go. Out of here. Yeah, the reserve seats are there, but not for now. Come on. Out. Leave the Roomba. I'll charge it for later. Okay, we can play Roomba later. Come on. Let's go, Maddie. Come on. Okay, good dogs. All right. Good. Uh-oh. Watch out, Ellie. It's house zoomies. You know what house zoomies means. You'll be flying over furniture. The voice from beyond. Ooh. He's coming back for more. Good girls. Good boy, Brodie.